So now we are going to start off with Khalifat movement. Now, you know that Jallianwala Bagh incident happened, right? After that, there was something which was a Khalifat movement that happened. And what Gandhiji did was he combined the non-cooperation and Khalifat movement together. The non-cooperation movement was to fight against the incident that happened at Jallianwala Bagh. And Khalifat movement, what it was, we will do it right now over here. During the First World War, Turkey joined the German side. So when England won, the treaty that was made had many firm and unjust terms and conditions for losing side. The Sultan of Turkey at that time was Khalifa, the head of the Muslims. So now what happened, as you all know, that the First World War happened, okay, and Turkey was fighting with Germany, and you all know that after the First World War, Germany lost the war. And as we studied in the earlier chapters, what did the winning power do? They started blaming Germany, they started blaming the opposites for all the things that had happened in the war, okay, for all the expenses that happened in the war. The Germany and the other countries were blamed for it. So when England won the war, the treaty was made. You all know that the treaty was made, okay, Treaty of Versailles was made, okay, and the treaty was unjust and the condition on the losing side, okay, the people who lost the war had to pay a lot, okay, and that is why the Treaty of Versailles was very unjust. The Sultan of Turkey at that time was Khalifa, the head of Muslims, okay. So the person who was ruling over Sultan, okay, he was a Khalifa. Now Khalifa means the head of the Muslims, okay. His name was not Khalifa. The position is the head of the Muslims. The movement in India to oppose the strict terms imposed on Turkey and the Sultan came to be known as Khalifat movement. Now what happened is, Muslims really respect their Khalifa and they give lot of respect to them. Now what happened is that after they saw that the England and the winning parties were not respecting the Turkey head, were not giving respect to the Khalifa, every Muslim in every country was angry at this, okay, because obviously if anybody insults your religious head or if anybody insults your religious leader, you are not going to like it, right? So in similar thing happened in India also, okay. The Muslims in India, they started opposing the strict terms imposed on Turkey. They said whatever the things they are doing is wrong, whatever decisions they have taken against Turkey is wrong, and they started opposing the English, saying that they were not right and they disrespected their Khalifa. And this movement came to be known as Khalifat movement. Why Khalifat movement? Because Khalifa. Ali brothers, that is Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali, were the chief leaders of the movement. So who were the leaders of the movement? Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali. Gandhiji requested the Congress to support the movement, keeping Hindu-Muslim unity in mind. Gandhiji was a biggest promoter of Hindu-Muslim unity, and he went and he told Congress that we should use this as an opportunity to build Hindu-Muslim unity, so we should start supporting the Khalifat movement, okay. The movement became this severe with Congress support. So when Congress supported the Muslims, the movement became more and more stronger, okay. Non-cooperation movement. The Nagpur conference gave the approval for non-cooperation movement. So Congress met at Nagpur, that is why it was called Nagpur conference, and they said yes, that we should start a non-cooperation movement. The Congress made a strong demand for independence of India, Swarajya, instead of self-government under the rule of British power. So now what happened till now, earlier the Indians were demanding freedom in such a way that ki bhai chalo theek hai, Britishers can rule over us, but let us have some decision power, okay. That was called as self-government, okay. But after the Jallianwala Bagh incident happened, Congress said that we should aim for full independence, not ada independence, okay. So what happened that before non-cooperation movement, before Jallianwala Bagh incident happened, what were the Indians aiming for? कि ठीक है, let Britishers rule over us and let us have our own small government and let Britishers be a part of it and look over towards that government. Okay, let us also have some power in making some decisions for our country. That is self-government. But now India was demanding for full independence after the Jallianwala Bagh incident happened, and now India wanted full and complete independence. Okay, constructive aspect. In the positive aspect, okay, constructive, or you can write the positive aspect. Okay, in the positive aspect of the movement was Hindu-Muslim unity to be strengthened, insistence on using Swadeshi articles, revival of spinning wheels in every house, collection of 1 crore rupees for Tilak Swarajya Fund, abolition of untouchability, national education prohibition, etc. So what did non-cooperation movement promote? What was the positive thing that happened because of non-cooperation movement? Was first Hindu-Muslim unity, because non-cooperation Caliphate movement combined together. Okay, so Hindu-Muslim unity. Okay, next thing was using of Swadeshi articles. Swadeshi article means using those goods, using those materials that were made in India. Revival of spinning wheels in every house. Spinning wheel means charkha. Okay, so revival matlab reuse charkha in every house. Collection of 1 crore rupees for Tilak Swarajya Fund. Fund એટલે કે ભાઈ પૈસા ભેગા કરો અને પછી એ પૈસા આપણે પીપલના પોઝિટિવ ઓલામાં યુઝ કરશું, પીપલને હેલ્પ કરવામાં યુઝ કરશું. રાઈટ નાઉ વી હેવ PM કેર ફંડ્સ, રાઈટ? સો દેટ ફંડ, whatever money you give in that fund, the PM uses it for the development of the people. So similarly, 1 crore rupees Tilak Swarajya Fund was made in order to make sure that the money from this fund is used towards the development of people, towards doing good things towards people. Okay, abolition of untouchability. Untouchability એટલે છુ અછૂતતા. Okay, you all know that caste system we had Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, and the lower caste people were not treated properly by the upper caste people. So આ વસ્તુને આપણે abolish કરવાની. Abolish એટલે remove it off. National education. Okay, start our own schools, give education to our children in our language like Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Malayalam, Kannada. Give people education in our own local language. Okay, etc. Now negative aspect. Okay, negative point. What was the negative point? The negative aspect consisted of giving up government jobs, government school, colleges, boycott of legislation, resign from government courts, local self-government, boycott of foreign goods and other article, government functions, titles, etc. Now the negative part of this movement was that you give remember at that time the government was British government, right? So leave all the government jobs you have, leave all the government schools or colleges that you go to, do not attend their meetings. Legislatures meaning boycott their meetings where they are taking decision to make new laws, make new powers. When they are taking such decision, do not go there, do not support their decision. Okay, resign from government courts, whatever courts are there, high court, supreme court, okay, local courts, e બધા courts માંથી resign. Okay, local self government, start our own little government. Okay, boycott of foreign goods, do not use any foreign articles or things. Okay, and other articles. Government functions, whatever government functions are there, parties are there, meetings are there, games are there, entertainment is there, do not go there. Give up all the titles that were given to us by the British government. Like sometimes what happened is when people did good things, they were given certain titles, so give up that title. For example, Rabindranath Tagore at that time was given Robin Hood of India or Knight of India or something like that. Here it is given. He was given the title of Knighthood of India. Okay, Knighthood honor he was given, and Rabindranath Tagore gave up that title, saying that because Britishers did this, I don't want any title given to me by the British. Now we will do the programs for non-cooperation movement. In the beginning of the movement, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore surrendered their title of Kesar-e-Hind and knighthood honor respectively. So what happened is that Mahatma Gandhi was given the title of Kesar-e-Hind by the British, and Rabindranath Tagore was given the title of knighthood honor. Both of them gave up their title. They said, we don't want any title given to us by the British government. Other leaders of the nation also gave up their title and positions. Okay, so other leaders also gave up their titles, their positions. Students left English schools and colleges at various places. Foreign clothes were set on fire. When Duke of Kynette came to India, he was boycotted. So what happened is that students, they left English schools, they left English colleges, they started going to local schools and local colleges. People started collecting foreign clothes, and they took it at one position and set it on fire. And when the Duke means a king, okay? So when this Duke Kynette had come to India, he was boycotted. Boycotted meaning people protested saying, we don't want him to come to India, he should not be here. The ceremony to honor Prince of Wales was boycotted. So there was a whole ceremony held when Prince of Wales is a place, okay? So when a Prince of Wales, this Wales is in England only. So when Prince of Wales was coming to India, everybody boycotted his ceremony. People boycotted Prince of Wales coming to India. Such incident create considerable national excitement. Okay, such things created national excitement among people because these were the normal things people were doing. People were not picking up guns and firing at other people. Indians were not picking up guns and firing at the English, right? They were just protesting in a normal way. So everybody got excited with this. On the other hand, national colleges and schools were established. More and more national level schools and colleges were made, like Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Millia, Gujarat Vidyapeeth, etc. So all these colleges and universities were established. Due to the vigorous propaganda of Swadeshi good, the import cloth, footwear, luxurious items from England reduced drastically. People started using Swadeshi goods or the goods that were made in India. So what happened is that all the cloth, footwear or the luxurious items which were coming from England reduced or became very, very less because people did not want to buy it. The reaction rattled the British Parliament. This reaction really scared the Britishers, okay? The government was shocked by this kind of economic loss to England. Okay, economically they were running low because people were not buying their things, and this was a big loss to the English. More than 1 crore rupee was collected in Tilak Fund. Imagine, in Tilak Fund more than 1 crore rupee people donated. On many occasions the Muslims emerged predominantly. Hindus and Muslims together worked as one team. The Mopla revolt between Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants deserves criticism, and it was suppressed by the British army. So there was a revolt or there was a protest that happened, okay, with the Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants, but the British army was able to stop that revolt or stop that protest. The government adopted the policy of suppression. Okay, government adopted कि गम्मे हम करें, we have to dabao them, we have to suppress them. Uncontrolled lathi charge, firing, collective arrest and inhuman torture was meted out. Unsuccessful attempts to break Hindu-Muslim unity were made. So what did the British government do? Obviously lathi charge they did. They started firing at people. They started arresting main people who were responsible for the non-cooperation movement. Okay, and they started torturing people. And they did lots, and they worked really hard to break the Hindu-Muslim unity.